Great little car, just arrived in, a good value for money, nice low mileage car. One that we previously sourced and supplied to the last lady owner. It's a Volkswagen Polo SE 1.4, steel grey metallic. Very nice and clean example all the way around. Just gone through our workshops and we've done the all important cambelt change. It's a 2010 on a 60 plate. Really is very, very nice and clean, tidy car all the way around. We supplied it when it was 3 years old with about 2,000 miles, roughly, if I remember right. Good size boot on it, nice and clean. Split folding rear seats. Additional storage just under there. And a full size spare wheel, brand new. Complete toolkit all there as well. Very, very tidy all the way around. No major dents or scuffs on the car. You have to remember this is a 2010 car. We've just replaced the rear brake drums and shoes. Full service history car. Very nice all the way around. All the wheels are in great condition. No major damage on any of those. Brand new tyres all the way around. Front brakes not long been done. Again, the bodywork all the way around. Very, very tidy. Got that, no major stone chips, no major marks anywhere. Ideal first car, or little runabout. Lovely and clean inside. Black cloth upholstery. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in here. All lovely and clean. Not been abused anyway. Again, the driver's seat. Just look at the condition of that. Great condition. Again, the door trim's in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. All lovely and clean. The mileage of just 41,741, that's what it's done. 41,741, 2010 car, full service history, stereo CD. Air conditioning, USB aux input, 5-speed manual gearbox. Great little car. As I mentioned, we've just done the cam belt, water pump and tensioner, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again, just like this lady. She's just another car offers. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. You can come and collect, click and collect. Alternatively, ask about home delivery. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.